Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pearl. Supposed to be looking there. Well, I just thought I'd put in this little video in the beginning. I got done with my hair. It took me altogether 6 hours. I ended up twisting my hair first and parting it just to make sure it's a bit easier for me, because I find that when I part and braid at the same time, it takes me way longer than it should. So this really did cut down on time for me. I'm pretty satisfied with the results, and I can't complain. I think this is the best braiding I've done so far. Apart from the fact that it's not as full as I normally like my braids, but my head of hair. But I don't mind it, to be honest. At this point in time, I don't have the time to be unbraiding 100 braids, so this is okay. And along, like a few years ago, I would not even have a head of hair that isn't looking full because I thought it looked funny on me. But right now, I don't care. You know, I'm in school full time. I'm tired. I just don't have the time. So I put it back like this today. I'll just take out the hair tie to show y'all, and perhaps I'll insert some pictures just to give a bit more. I can't complain. They're not as many as I would normally like, but I am pretty satisfied with the results. My head looks so big again. But yeah, I will put some pictures in to show what it looks like of the length too, but they're pretty long. And yeah, I used about, I didn't use that much hair, so that's probably why it's this kind of thin, but it's okay. I used about 2 packets of hair. I will insert the hair that I used. Yeah, it's not heavy, so the whole reason I even did this was because I wanted braids that were light. Most of the times when I braid my hair, I do find that they're too heavy for my head, and it gets annoying. Like, I get used to it after, but it's a bit annoying because I just feel like the tension on my like hair and all that. And sometimes also like putting it in a bun when it's too full for me is a problem, because it's just like it's so heavy up there that I don't want that. So I hope you like this, and let's get right into it. So the first thing that I do is add some coconut oil to my hair. I had added a leave-in conditioner the day before, so the only thing that I needed to do was add some coconut oil. It works for me. I'm just parting my hair here in preparation. Add some mousse, which I will be showing you very soon. And by the way, guys, these parts are not perfect. It's very hard to like part your own hair. I'm sure you guys know. And I was using 2 mirrors, actually, the one that I was facing and there was one behind me to help me see. So that right there is the mousse that I use to help with the flyaways and just keep my hair looking neat as I braid. Now I'm twisting my hair, and I do that throughout the whole side of my head that's left. And this just makes it easier for me to like go in and braid. A lot of the times when I'm braiding my hair and parting and braiding, it takes me way more time than it normally would. I don't know why I didn't think about this before. This actually went pretty quick for me compared to other times. So now I'm adding some beeswax. I don't necessarily like using gels because I don't like how they make my hair feel. This ends up just feeling like a moisturizer. It's meant to condition, as it says. So I prefer to use that, and that's just to like help the bottom look neater, way neater than it would. And I'm parting my hair here. I make two parts and then cross them over each other to make three. So here I come in a bit closer just to show you guys how I braid. Everyone braids a little bit differently, but this works to me the best. And hopefully someone finds it useful for them too, because the person who taught me how to braid taught me how to do it like this. This is how they used to do it for me when I was a kid, so it's worked out pretty fine so far. I'm just adding the beeswax here. Now getting that hair. So here I'm just in slow motion. I made it a bit slower just to make it easier to see. I can't exactly explain how I did it, but if you watch closely, you'll be able to like pretty much get the gist of it. So that's how I do it. I hope that was clear enough. My braids are in very tight at the bottom, and I had a good night's rest after this. Nothing, I didn't have to take any painkillers or anything like that. I didn't do it too tight. I just make sure, it was just held right. Because I'm trying to kill myself. So this will be all, guys. Let me know what you think. If you have any better methods, please do let me know. Braiding your own head is really, really hard. So if you know any way that this could be, the process could even be made easier, I am more than willing to know. Let me know if you have any recommendations. And I hope this helped someone, and I hope you enjoyed watching this.